Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers. Yesterday we published a video with unboxing and first review of Lenovo Z5. You can find it by the link in description. I'm using this phone for about 24 hours and so far I have no any problems. User interface is fast and smooth, apps open quickly and there are no any errors. In this video I want to talk about performance. Lenovo Z5 is powered by mid-range chipset Snapdragon 636 with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This is very good hardware for budget phone of about $200. Also, you can use microSD cards to expand internal memory. So let's begin with benchmarks and then play some games. Of course, first I want to show you AnTuTu, the most popular benchmark for Android devices, and many people evaluate the performance by these figures. So here is 113,000 points, pretty good result for budget phone. The next benchmark called Geekbench 4. There is 1326 points in single-core test and 4830 points in multi-core test. I'm sure that you will play games on Lenovo Z5, so 3D Mark will be useful for you. It benchmarks your phone and compares the performance with other 5000 devices on Android and iOS. As you can see, Lenovo Z5 scores 1472 points in Slingshot. Also, I tested memory speed, Wi-Fi and GPS. All results are very good. Memory speed is about 274 megabit per second reading speed and 210 megabit per second writing speed. About 55 megabit per second from my 100 megabit per second internet connection. And the accuracy of GPS is around 3 meters. Now let's play some games. The first game is called PUBG Mobile. This is one of the most popular Android games, so I don't need to introduce it. As you can see, it runs very well. FPS is okay, graphics is good. So you can play PUBG Mobile on Lenovo Z5 without any problems. The next game is Shadowgun Legends. Perhaps it is the most powerful game I ever played on Android. As for Lenovo Z5, it runs pretty good. Yes, you can notice how FPS drops a little when you shooting, but it's not a problem. It is comfortable to play on this phone. The last game for today is Asphalt 8. I think it doesn't need words, just watch me play. So it was our second video about Lenovo Z5. In coming days, we will publish camera and battery tests. As you can see, Lenovo Z5 has a very good performance for its price, about $200. The phone shows good result in benchmarks, and it runs the most powerful games pretty well. Thanks for watching, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.